Prime Minister Modi ji just became India's second longest serving Prime Minister in consecutive terms. On July 25, 2025, Modi ji completed 4,078 continuous days in office, surpassing the continuous tenure of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. He assumed office on May 26, 2014 and began his third consecutive term in June 2024. Now, he trails only Jawaharlal Nehru, who served over 16 years non-stop from 1947 to 1964. Modi ji is the first and only non-Congress Prime Minister to complete 2 full terms and win a third. Before that, he was Gujarat's longest-serving Chief Minister from 2001 to 2014. Under his leadership, BJP won majorities in 2014 and 2019, and even though they fell short in 2024, they formed the government with NDA allies. Let's get into the basics of polity for a better understanding. India follows a parliamentary system of government. In this system, the president is the nominal head of state, the de jure executive, but the real executive power lies with the prime minister, who is the de facto executive. According to Article 75 of our constitution, the prime minister is appointed by the president. However, by established convention, the president must appoint the leader of the majority party in Lok Sabha as the prime minister. Once appointed, the PM holds office during the pleasure of the president. But that doesn't mean the president can remove them at will. As long as the Prime Minister enjoys the confidence of the Lok Sabha, they cannot be dismissed. And finally, is there a limit on how many times someone can become Prime Minister? No, there is no limit at all. If a leader continues to win the trust of the Lok Sabha, they can return again and again. With no term limits in the constitution, will we see a Modi 4.0 in 2029? Only time and the voters will tell.